express myself through my art form by being overly dramatic. My art form makes me feel happy because it's lots of fun. I'm moving around and I love to be active, so it's good fun. I chose my art form because I just love doing it. It makes me happy and it's lots of fun to do, so why not? That means working together to find out the future for yourself and others and the world.
It makes me really happy because I'm learning things that I can't really do at school.
It also makes me feel really I'm learning heaps of stuff, heaps of new stuff. The song that I actually wrote, it's about how if you have a dream and you want to achieve it, you should just go for it and don't hold back.
We're combining a lot of things like music and Play-Doh and drawing and combining it all together. Your job in the future, what you want to do to make the most of your life. You make something that you think looks good and then you try and find a meaning to it.
I'm achieving something because there's a lot of work that you have to put into it before you can actually start making it up properly.
I chose it because I got sick of dancing and I got way too tired dancing.
It's something that I've always wanted to grow my knowledge on.
I've got the past of how they navigated back then and how they navigate now with a compass, finding our future career pathways.
Dance is just a way to express who I am. It helps us young ones find out who we are, how we've struggled and how we're making our way up to fix things and make them better.
It makes me feel like a sense of accomplishment.
Why did you choose your art form?
Well, it's sort of just something that I wanted to get into, film photography could be a career choice.
What does the kaupapa navigate our visions for a shared future mean to you?
We all got to work together to achieve all of our goals because we're not going to do anything alone. One person can't change the world.
How did you incorporate the kaupapa into your piece?
We've all worked together to make one big thing, so it's all working towards one goal.
Hello sir, how's your Love Island stuff going?
Was it underexposed?